Hey y'all, welcome back to the Best of Bull City. I'm 3L Shirley Garrett, and this series is all about the best that Durham has to offer. First up on today's list is the Carolina Theater, a two-in-one performing arts center and cinema complex that has been entertaining Durhamites since 1926. As the fifth largest performing arts center in the Triangle, the theater presents nearly 100 performances and more than 3,000 film screenings each year. Talk about staying busy. Historically, the theater played an important role in the desegregation of Durham, as it was the first theater in Durham to admit African Americans. Today, the theater is committed to the telling of original, innovative stories and works and serves as a space to bring our diverse community together to learn about, participate in, and celebrate the arts. Next up is the largest performing arts center in the Carolinas, housed right here in downtown Durham, the DPAC. The Durham Performing Arts Center hosts over 200 performances a year, including touring Broadway productions, high-profile concerts, comedy events, and more. I remember when the DPAC opened in 2008, and since then I've had the pleasure of attending multiple shows and concerts, and even performing on the DPAC stage myself. If I had to choose, my top three favorite shows are Hamilton, Motown, and of course, The Lion King. Make sure to comment below and let us know what shows you've seen. I'll be back again with some of my favorite things to do in Durham on February 22nd. Until then, I'm Shirley Garrett, bringing you the best of Bull City.